What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Chef Timmy Jay, and today I've got another quick, easy recipe for you. That's right, we're gonna be making chicken fried rice. I found a few ingredients in my fridge. Buckle your seatbelts together and let's get to cooking. Okay, let's go over a few ingredients that we have today. In this bowl here, I've put together, taken 2 eggs, and I've whipped together some eggs. This is my egg mixture. Right behind here, I've got 1 cup of frozen veggies. You can use whatever kind of veggies that you have, but I wanted these kind of frozen veggies for my chicken fried rice. I've already chopped up and diced up this is about 1/4 cup of white onions. You can use yellow onions if you like that. And then hiding way behind here in the back, we're just gonna use probably 1/8 of raw sugar. Just 1/8 of sugar. I'll tell you how that sugar comes into play. And 2 stars hiding in the back. We've got some dark soy sauce, and we've also got some light soy sauce. We definitely need both of those. And what I've done here is I have taken about 5 ounces of ground chicken. Guys, we're gonna use ground chicken, just 5 ounces of ground chicken. I've got that there, and then behind that ground chicken, I've got the salt and pepper. We're gonna grind up some pepper and we're gonna grind up some salt, and then we'll probably use a little bit of canola oil to get started. These are all the ingredients that we have for you today. Let's get on over to that hot stove. Family, we're here at the hot stove, and what we want to do first is we're going to go ahead and brown our ground chicken. I'm going to grab about 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Let me put that in the pan. There's about 2 squirts of canola oil, and then we'll make it dance, mix it around, so that way that's really good. And then I'm going to take this ground meat and I'm going to dump it in our hot skillet. And just listen to that sizzle, folks. Sometimes I like to just listen at that. Wow, that's amazing. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab my meat chopper and start breaking up our meat. And what I did with mine, folks, it's very, very hot. Definitely I wanted it hot. I kept mine a little bit frozen because it's easier to cut and chop up when it's just a little bit frozen, but you just take your time and it breaks away pretty easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep on chopping up meat. That's what we want. And you can make your meat as fine or as thick as you like. I'm gonna bring my heat back up to 5. You can always control your heat. But what I'm gonna do with my ground chicken, I'm gonna make sure that I break it apart really, really well. And so we'll let this cook, YouTube. You wanna let this meat cook for at least about anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. You wanna make sure that there is no pink and that internal temp is definitely at 165. We don't want anyone sick. So I'm gonna let this brown up, and when I return, I'll show you the next step in our process. Stay tuned, be right back. So take a look at that, YouTube family. Our meat has been browning for at least about 10 minutes now. It looks really, really good. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of dark soy sauce. I'm gonna bring my heat down. Remember, you can always control your heat, but I'm gonna add a little bit of dark soy sauce because that brings in the seasoning and a little bit of the flavor. So this is probably about 1 tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. And then I'm gonna mix that in here, all in your ground chicken. And this looks really, really good if you can see this, YouTube family. And like I say, you just wanna take your time and have fun with your food. This ground chicken is looking totally amazing, totally amazing. And if you notice, what I'm doing here is I'm pushing my ground chicken off to one side, because what I'm gonna also do is I'm going to add a little bit more, 2 more tablespoons of canola oil. And then what I want to do is I'm gonna add my egg mixture. So dump that egg mixture in. Got all that goodness inside the pan. We're gonna bring our heat up just a little bit more. And as we let the heat do its thing, I'm just gonna start like a little figure eight and a little scramble going on, because this is definitely what we want. This is how we get our eggs. And we want our egg to look really, really well and really, really good. And so this is great. This is exactly what we want, folks. Because again, this is going to be our chicken fried rice, ladies and gentlemen. You guys are gonna love this. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. All right, that looks good. And just take a look at that YouTube family. I mean, just look at that family, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Smell it, smell it, smell it. That's really good. And so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this in a bowl. And when I return, we'll get our rice going. Stay tuned. Okay, YouTube family, so I've now got you inside of my Instant Pot because we are going to make our rice. I have used 1 cup of long grain brown rice. You can use whatever kind of rice you want. I just prefer the long grain brown rice when I do my chicken fried rice. And I've used a 1-to-1 ratio. So what I did was I put 1 cup of water with 1 cup of brown rice, and I like to use this natural spring water. You can use whatever kind of water you like, but what I will do is I've got this in the Instant Pot and we're gonna close the lid, and when I am done, we're gonna take this out, put it in our skillet, and continue making our ground chicken fried rice. Stay tuned. And just look at that, YouTube family. That rice is cooked and done. It is definitely hot, trying not to burn myself, but I just want to give you guys a look inside of the pan, how it looks. That rice is perfect and ready to go. So let's go ahead and get over to our hot skillet. All right, YouTube family, got you back at the hot skillet, and I want to show you guys that rice that we cooked. I mean, just take a look at that rice right there. If you guys can see this rice, that came out of our Instant Pot. Again, that's that long grain brown rice that we have. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of canola oil back to our pan. And you guys know how we do it. Let's make it dance. Let's make it dance. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add our brown rice. So boom, there we go. We're adding that rice all back to our pan. Again, this is chicken fried rice, folks. Just listen at that sound. And while we got the rice going, we're gonna make sure that we break our rice apart. And what I also wanna do is right here in the center where you guys see that circle there, I'm gonna go ahead and add some soy sauce. So I'll add a little bit of our light soy sauce, just a little bit there. And then I'm also going to add some of our dark soy sauce, a little bit there. And then what I've got also, folks, is I've got a little bit of raw sugar. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and just add just that much right there. And now what we wanna do is mix all of this together, because this is what gives our rice its color. And that's definitely what we want. We want that nice brown color to our fried rice. Again, folks, this is totally amazing. And you can get the color as dark or as light as you want. And I'm controlling my heat. You can always control your heat. I always tell you, low and slow, folks. And just look at that fried rice. Look at that, folks. Oh my goodness. Listen to the sound of this fried rice. Totally amazing, YouTube family. Totally amazing. Now that I got that fried rice going, folks, all of those veggies and the ground chicken and the egg that we did earlier, take a look at it here, folks. That's what we did earlier, and we're gonna add all of this back into our pot. So let's go ahead and do it. Again, chicken fried rice, folks. Simple, easy, anybody can do it. We're gonna mix it all together. Fried rice is totally amazing. If you guys could just smell this, totally amazing. This is definitely what you want, folks. Look at that, folks. I mean, that is what you call beautiful, beautiful chicken fried rice. I'll get this plated up for you, YouTube family, and then we'll do our famous taste test. See you in a moment. And so here we are, YouTube. This is totally amazing. And I'm just gonna make a big old plate. This, guys, this is for you, YouTube. I mean, if we're gonna do it, then let's do it. Let's make a mountain. You know what I'm talking about? I mean, this is good. Again, chicken, fried rice. You don't even have to go to a takeout restaurant and just look at there, folks. There you have it. This is totally amazing chicken fried rice. And we definitely have to take a sample of this, folks. Definitely got to take a sample. Here's that famous gold fork. And just look at that mountain. OMG, folks. If you guys could see the steam that's actually coming off of this, we got to get some of that egg. First bite's for you. Here's some of those vegetables. And look at that. Go ahead, take a bite, YouTube. That's yours. That's definitely yours. All right, next bite is mine. I'm going in. Again, YouTube, chicken fried rice. This is great. And I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a little bit of that salt and pepper. It's totally optional, but I'm gonna add a little bit of that salt and add a little bit of that black pepper. Totally up to you guys. That's that magic. And this is the way I like it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I've got to take another bite, YouTube. Look at that. Going in. Again, YouTube, perfect. Again, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you follow my channel. This is Chef Timmy Jay. I'll see you on the next. Peace.